Hi, my name is Michelle. This is my YouTube channel. Usually I'm talking about my journey with triple negative breast cancer or adrenal insufficiency or even a keto, carnivore, ketovore diet. But this video is about my family recipes. And this particular video was made using the traditional recipe for cheesecake. I hope you enjoy. Generously with butter, a springform pan, and covered it in foil. And this is going to be our water bath, but we're not ready for that. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is make our crust. So we need 1.5 cups of cookie crumbs, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 1/3 cup of sugar. All right, so I am not a fan of graham cracker crusts. I like sugar cookies or butter cookies. So Chessman Pepperidge Farm cookies make really good cheesecake crust. Now I do have somewhere saved a recipe for a keto crust, or you can make this without a crust and actually make a complete carnivore cheesecake. But this video is for our family recipe. One year, what I actually did, the first year I made the carnivore cheesecake, is I did the cookie crust and I just didn't eat the crust. About 2 cups. This is gonna go by itself. No water bath for this. Right in the oven. 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna go 10 minutes. All right, while the crust is in the oven, we're gonna get our eggs and sour cream beaten. So we need 5 eggs and 2 cups or a pint of sour cream. that into our pan that's going to be our water bath and let it just cool there while we do the rest. Okay, the next step is to add these two together. Done. Cutting our cheesecake. It's been refrigerated overnight. I'm gonna top this with some of our cranberry sauce.